Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to actually preview sites using Squarespace websites. So first of all, of course, you'd like to go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps. So for me in this tutorial, I'm actually using Brave. Of course, for you, you can use any other browser that could be possibly working for you. Then all you need to do, just go to the Squarespace website, hit the enter button, and here that will actually be your home/main screen. Of course, if it's your first time actually using the website, you would like to go and click at get started to create your account. Of course, if it's not your first time, you can just go here and click at your account. But what we would like actually to do in this tutorial, as we said, is how to preview sites. So after creating your account, they will actually take you directly into this template. So we'll just click on templates here, and here you can actually preview sites. So here you'll find best template matches. Of course, you can choose the type or the topic that you want exactly. You can set some favorites. You can use the filter, of course, to hide the sites that you don't want to see, and then let's hide this. So here you can actually choose this site that is interested for you. So let's say as an example, I'm interested by this site. All I need to do, just go and click at preview. Of course, that's just the name of the site. So here you'll be actually able to see or preview the site, and you will be even actually to view the demo site or start with this design. So you can actually take this site to start using it and editing on it. So of course, you will have here the preview on desktop, tablet, maybe, or even the phone. You will find everything from here, of course, if you scroll down and etc. And that will be actually it. So that thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you kind of like it, or I hope you actually like the video. Thanks for watching, as I said, and goodbye.